5 Telegram bots you should start using immediately. Number 1. Truecaller bot. All you have to do is open Telegram, search for this bot. This bot acts as substitute for Truecaller. If you want information of a particular number, type and send that number to this bot. Immediately bot sends information of the number there in the Truecaller to you. Number 2. Image background remover bot. Search for this bot with this ID. Open bot and send picture of which you want to remove background. Immediately it will remove background of that picture and resend image back to you.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Number 3. Game bot. You can play games in Telegram with this bot. Open this bot and press start. You can select the game which you want to play and select whether you want to play solo or with your friends. That game loads immediately in Telegram and you can enjoy the game right away. You can even select your preferred category of games. Now I have selected racing. Immediately the game which are there in the racing category comes. You can select the game of your liking and play. Come on, let's play some game.
Yeah, boy.
Number 4. Dropmail.me bot. This bot generates temporary email address. If you want to log into some website and don't want to give your personal email address, then you can use this bot. Open bot and type /get. You will get random mail address. You copy this mail address and log into any website you want. Number 5. Amazon Price Tracker Alert Bot. If you want to purchase anything in Amazon, for example, I want to purchase Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. The website current price is Rs 29,990. The price is going to fluctuate continuously and I want to know when the price drops to a new low. Then I can copy link in website and send it to this bot. It will constantly monitor the price and sends message directly to you when the price is low. You can type /list to know about all the products price you are tracking. Thank you for watching. I will come up with another 5 Telegram bots in part 2 of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe now.